I'm so happy to see you.
I'm so glad you're here. Come on into the guest room. Let me show you what we've done in here.
Oh, it's a complete transformation.
It is a big transformation. It went from being a little bit of a sad guest room to looking a lot better. It's a lot more functional.
And now it's this chic little guest room nook in the city.
Well, the Isabella Daybed totally transformed the space. It made it look more finished. It's a piece that I've used for clients before in projects, so I knew that it would function and that it looked great, and it literally fits perfectly in there.
And it's got the storage underneath.
Which for a small space is super helpful.
I want to try this out. Oh, it's super comfortable. So how does this work when a guest comes?
Well, what's so brilliant about it is that this is a cover that you can have Ballard make for you in the same fabric of the daybed that you've ordered. So I had them make the same cover, and so when you have guests, you just remove it and put your bed linens on. So, but the rest of the time, it's nice, has a nice and finished look to it.
I'm looking around at your apartment, and it's full of bold, saturated colors, a lot of very large pieces with personality and pattern, and yet most of the furniture, like the daybed that you chose, is a nice, quiet, solid.
Yes, I use the Danish natural linen on the daybed and all of my upholstery pieces because I change things so much. I change the rugs, I repaint all the time, switch the art out, so I prefer a neutral base so that when I want to do something, it's easy to do that.
You have the flexibility.
I do, totally have the flexibility.
Your options are open.
Yes.